Hello grade 5. Today we will learn about subject-verb agreement. In this short video, we will review the parts of a sentence and then we will delve in our target objective, which is subject-verb agreement. As we have already mentioned in class, a complete sentence must have a subject and a verb. The subject is the who or what that performs the action, whereas the verb is the action or linking word. The first step to understand subject-verb agreement is to analyze each sentence by spotting the verb and the subject. Let's check some examples. The player on our side is strong. Who is strong? The player. So the player is a singular noun and it is a singular subject. Therefore, it needs a singular verb which is. Sentence 2. The players on our side are strong. Who are strong? The players. Therefore, the players is the subject and it is a plural subject, hence it needs a plural verb. So what is it about subject-verb agreement? Subject-verb agreement is as follows. Once you've identified the subject and the verb, you have to make sure that they agree in number. A singular subject needs a singular verb and a plural subject needs a plural verb. What are the rules for the present time verbs? Let's check some rules. Rule number 1. If the subject is a singular noun, attention, or a pronoun he, she, or it, I add s or es to most verbs. Pay attention to the suffix es. I add es to the base form of the verb if the verb ends with ch, sh, x, s, or o. For instance, the wagon creaks. I add only s for creak because it is the base form without ch, sh, s, x, or o. The wagon is a singular noun, therefore I add s. It lurches along. The pronoun is it. The base form of lurches is lurch, so the ch requires es. Rule number 2. If the subject is a plural noun, or I, you, we, or they, I do not add s or es. I keep it as it is. The oxen pull the wagon. The oxen is the plural subject and attention, it is irregular plural. The singular is ox. So pull, I keep it as it is. They strain uphill. Same applies here. Plural subject, base form of the verb. Rule number 3. For the verb be, I use am or is to agree with singular subjects and are to agree with the plural subjects. I am hot, Thomas is happy, the Patriots are loyal, we are late. The last rule is regarding collective nouns. A collective noun names a group such as family, team, and class. If the collective noun is in the singular, hence it refers to a group acting as one. For example, the family rides in the wagon. A collective noun is plural if it refers to members of the group acting individually. The family are arguing about the text. These are the rules. These rules, you may find them in notebook on page 156. Are you ready for a quiz? Pop quiz. Choose the correct form of the verb that agrees with the subject. Remember, before I start any activity, I need to read all the sentence, spot the subject, identify whether it is singular or plural, and accordingly, I choose the verb. Annie and her brothers are at school. Who are at school? Annie and her brothers. Is the subject singular or plural? Plural. Good. Therefore, I need to choose are. 2. George and Tamara don't want to see that movie. Who don't want to see that movie? George and Tamara. Therefore, a plural subject needs a plural verb. Remember, in plural, I don't add es to the verb. Benito don't know the answer. Benito is a singular subject, therefore I need a singular verb. One of my sisters is or are going on a trip to France. Attention here, I have the word one. Therefore, it is a singular subject, therefore a singular verb. The man with all the birds lives on my street. The complete subject is the man with all the verbs. However, where is the simple subject? The simple subject is man, so it is singular, therefore it is the verb lives. And pay attention here, S in lives is not plural as in nouns. Now we are dealing with verbs. 6. Mathematics is our John's favorite subject, while civics is our Andrea's favorite subject. Mathematics, although it ends with S, however the S is in the root word. It is embedded in the word mathematics and it is embedded in the word civics, so it's not plural. Therefore, singular subject require singular verb, is and is. There were 15 candies in that bag. Where is the subject? It is not there, it is candies. So, and I have 15, therefore, plural subject requires plural verb. Now, there is only one left. One left, it means singular subject, it means singular verb. The committee debate these questions carefully. Committee is a collective noun, and here it is in the singular, okay, because it's acting as one if you refer to rule number 4. So it is the committee debates. Whereas in 9, the committee members lead very different lives. I have committee members, therefore the verb is plural because I have a plural subject. That's it. Hope that you liked it. For more information, check your notebook on page 156. Well done. Thank you for your watching and for your time.